All right, guys. So I'm just putting gas, and I just noticed that the car is filthy. This car is filthy, guys. But it's that time again. We have to give it a car wash. So one of the main reasons that I put this car on air suspension is because the weather out here is crazy. Even when it's summertime, the summertime is over. But even in summertime, even in summertime, the weather could be cold in the morning, and it makes it hard for me to wash my car myself out here. So, having three cars is also difficult because you got to make sure that all three of them are clean, especially the black Lexus. Like I said before, black is the hardest color to maintain. And well, like I was saying, one of the reasons why I put this car on air suspension is so I could raise it high enough so it could go through the car wash that I normally go to. So let's take a look how that goes, guys. All right, guys, so this is the car wash that I come to. It's located in Rockaway Boulevard in 82nd Street. And it's not summer no more, guys, so I ain't gonna be out there hand washing the car. Now this is a hand wash car, and the good thing about it that it's like an indoor hand wash car. I'm gonna let you see the whole concept of it. But the only thing is that it has to go through this little thing, the same thing that pulls the car on a regular car wash. That's the same like mechanism this car wash has. So that's why I needed to get it as off the ground as much as possible. But my car is still super low, even though it has air suspension, but it just goes up enough to clear what I'm talking about. I'm gonna let y'all see though. All right, so this is what I'm talking about. Your car has to be high enough to go up that little metal pole. So I think I managed that. I think I got it high enough to go through there. So if not, to clean that car up is gonna be a hassle every time, and I don't want to do that myself. All right, guys, so let me remind you, my car is actually all the way up, and you see a little bounce on it is because I'm not riding on the right level. So this is not my ride height. My ride height is a little lower, that way your suspension don't bounce too much. That's the thing about air suspension. If you're not riding on your correct sweet spot, you're gonna be bouncing all over the place. But as you can see, I cleared the spot, but as you can also see, this is how high my car goes. So it's still super low. You know what I mean? It's all about the lifestyle, baby. All about the lifestyle. All right, guys, so you see that mechanism pulls the car, and the workers, scrub it, wash it, by hand, make sure they get all the dirt out, and the machines, pour the soap, the hot wax, all that good stuff. So check this out, guys. I barely made it. Like, I barely cleared that pole. You can still see the little, I barely made it, guys. And look, the wheel is actually up. Bang, it comes back down. Low life, baby. All right. We made it, though. We made it. Oh, shit. We didn't make it. We did not make it. Oh, damn. Let me, damn. Let me push. Nothing, man. The wheels are wet. Remember, guys, this car is rear wheel drive. So I don't know. It's because it's wet. I don't know. All right. The guy had to push the red button so all the cars behind it don't come and hit my car. Damn, sorry for the inconvenience, guys. Sorry for the inconvenience. All right, let's push one more time. Nothing. Let me sit on top of the trunk. I'm trying to push it down. Nothing. Nothing. No good. It's no go. Oh, Jesus Christ. Trata de ponerle una madera, un pedazo de madera tiene. Alright guys, so he's coming with a magic wood, you know what I mean? So this is a lifestyle, baby. Sacrifice. There you go. The good thing is that I know these guys, like, you know, I've been coming here for years, so they know the lifestyle I'm in. And you know, I never brought a car this low here. Most of my cars been on air suspension, but you know, they don't get mad for trying to help me out. There we go. We out. We out. We out. So you know, even though this car is on air suspension, it's still three wheel, guys. Like, look at this. It's still three wheel. Yeah, baby. Rear wheel drive. That's why, baby. Rear wheel drive. But you know, I thought, and as many people thought, that was a static thing. That would only happen to static cars. But apparently not. Maybe it's just how low you are that makes that happens. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know how it really works, but hey, my car is still three wheels. Still, I love it. Alright, guys. Let's get back to work. Let me get cleaned out so I can get out of here. Alright, guys. We went through a little hassle right there. So, you know, it's high enough to go through the car wash, but it still has a little bit of problem going out. But nothing too big, you know, nothing that cannot be handled, just a little push. You know what I mean? We had to stop the whole process, the whole, you know, you had to press that emergency stop so the other vehicle would not hit the car. But hey, part of the life. It's part of the lifestyle, guys. Alright guys, Rockaway and 82nd Street. Rocky Hand Wash and Detailing. Now I've been coming here for years, like probably 10 years now, like, you know. And I bring all my cars here. I think they do a good job. And you know, when you have a nice car with amazing paint, like this car, look at this car. This car has an amazing paint. It looks so thick and wet when it's nice and clean. And it's just beautiful. I love this paint. I don't even know what color it is. It's just beautiful. You know, so when you try to keep and maintain your paint nice without swirls and none of that shit, you bring it to a car, you know, a hand car wash, guys. You know, this is where you need to bring it to. Yeah, guys, so like I said, do not take your car to a regular car wash. You'll come out with swirls and all kinds of stuff. But right here, you know, when you hand car wash, you know, everything is so beautiful, so flawless, no swirls, no nothing. So check this out. This is a clip where when my Charger had tinted windows all the way around. Let me know how it looks. And right here, this is my Lexus. You know, you gotta give the Lexus love. You know what I'm saying? So This is another clip of when I brought my Lexus over here to get detailed. You know what I'm saying? You gotta take care of your cars, baby. You gotta take care of your cars. Lexus looking beautiful. All right, guys. So it started to drizzle. You know, maybe later on we're gonna get like heavy rain. Who knows? But you know, the whole point of getting the car wash was to get that bird poop out of there. So you know what I'm saying? It was crazy going to the car wash today, guys. You know what I'm saying? But it's part of the low life, guys. It's part of the low life. Now, all depends what kind of setup you have, what kind of setup you go for. You know what I'm saying? With every car setup you have, as far as suspension and wheel wise, you know, sometimes you're gonna have to sacrifice a little. You know what I'm saying? Because I want to be like low to the ground. I want to be slammed to the floor. I went with 18s, you know what I mean? So if I would have had 19s or 20s, that would have gave me like an extra inch, you know, with a different size tires. Obviously, also, you know, I would have cleared that car wash easily. But since I have 18s, you know, it makes it much harder because I am still lowered. I'm still low even though I have air suspension, but at least I can raise it high enough where I can go through that car wash, you know what I mean? So that's what I chose. You know, who knows? You know, a lot of people sometimes criticize because of the setup you guys have, but don't pay no mind to nobody, because seriously, you know, they act like, yo, what you did that for? What? Listen, first of all, it could be changed. It's nothing that's going to be concrete and going to be there forever. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, a lot of times it takes, you know, tryouts. You know, you got to try things out, see how you feel about it, and then, you know, you make the call, change it or keep it or whatever. So, you know, right now, this is what I chose, 18s instead of 19s or 20s. You know, just keep it straight low as I can because I want to be slammed. You know what I mean? So, if you wanna play the game, you got to sacrifice a little. You know what I'm saying? So, I don't care, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna still take that car to the car wash. All it needs is a little push. That's all it needs, you know what I mean? So you see, my wheel setup is 18s, and that gives me more ground, you know what I mean? If I would have had 19s or 20s, I would have definitely cleared that car wash easily without a problem. But this is what I chose, and this is my little sacrifice, you know what I mean? Because I want to be on the floor, slammed with fitment, fender to lip, you know what I mean? But you know, it's not for everybody, guys. It's not for everybody. But just like that, it's not for everybody. Just like that, it's not for everybody. So, you know, that's why I got the Lexus. The Lexus is my family car. The Lexus is my daily. And I got the Lexus because, you know, I don't plan really to do much to it, but who knows? But that car is comfortable, you know, it's ultra luxury. And you know, when I need to go far places, that's the car I'm gonna take. You know, then I got the Charger, and you know, that's getting built to get horsepower. So that's my performance vehicle. And you know, this is my VIP car. And you know, definitely it breaks necks all the time because it's right-hand drive. So you know, I'm living in all the worlds, guys. All of best worlds. Stock, muscle, and VIP, guys. You know what I mean? That's what I love about the car game, you know? But anyway, guys, see you on the next video. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Peace.